Hi guys, welcome in the third episode of Perfect Monday. Dorota Palicka here. Today I would like to show you snake skin designs. I think they are really fashion and lots of you probably got it in your wardrobe, some tops and bags with the snake skin. Also, I was inspired by one of the colleagues from work, Sierra. Thanks for that. I have seen your top and I thought, no, I have to show you guys this design. So look for your inspiration everywhere around. You can see it like when you walk with your dog, when you're going for some shoppings. There is lots of different designs and ideas for you. And that's where I get my inspiration from. So let's see this third episode with the snake skin. The quickest design ever, the snake skin, you can see it, I have created two in here, and I will show you the one which is more complicated. So on this one I have only used the simple background in green color and then created the design. And this one was a little bit more advanced because I have used a green background, then a little bit of white and the gel polishes, and also like a 3D effect with the top coat. And that's what I'm going to show you. First, you have to paint the client's nails the desired color, and in my case it was like an pastel neon green color, which I think goes really well with the skin look. And then as a next step, using the paint on French gel, I'm going to create like a line in the middle, so this way I get more 3D effect, because this white will show through from underneath as well. So just a quick line. I'm not bothered too much to make it straight because the skin is not like perfectly even. There are places which are a little bit thicker, and each patch of the skin is slightly different. So just created a stripe right in the middle, then cure it. I find also this color is called Phoenix, and that's from the Neo Neo. It has like a wee glittery bits in it as well, and it's, I would say, like a teal, very dark greeny blue teal color, and it looks really nice. Also, we will need the top coat, and I'm going to use the Flexi Top gel from the Nail Perfect. So once my white is cured, I can remove the tip. Then you are going to apply the gel polish of the desired color you want. Usually pick up the lighter color on the bottom and then the darker one on the top. So I'm going to paint the entire tip with this color. You don't want to apply it too thick, just nice. And you can see the difference in the shade because we've got those white and the green underneath, which make it look more interesting. Then put that on the side and pick up the top coat. With the top coat, you want to create lots of dots which will spread nice. Because we didn't cure the product, it will kind of push it away. So one dot, second dot. And you can see what is happening after I place those dots. They are spreading and they are pushing the layer of the gel polish, which is done first, and creating the snake skin design. So the first ones are the bigger ones, and then in the side I'm creating a little bit smaller ones, and they are kind of more in between. And then another layers again in between, and again a little bit smaller. And do that the same on the other side. So very quick. Now I have to wait for the product to spread a little bit, and you can see it, how this is just start spreading and creating those snake look design. The longer you wait, the bigger the kind of eyes the snake skin is going to be. I'm kind of almost happy with it. Maybe just a couple seconds longer. That's it. And now I can cure it. My next step will be just to apply the top coat, and then after the layer of the top coat is cured, we're going to make the effect a little bit more raised, like a 3D look, like we done it on this tip here. Couple seconds longer, then apply the top coat. You have to try it as well, this design, because it's so quick. And don't need to be necessary in green. I just thought this kind of colors are pretty fashion at the moment. There's lots of tops and skirts and bodysuits. So your clients might request that as well, and then you will be able to do it for them. If you try this design, hashtag Dorota Palicka, because I want to see your work as well. As promised, there will be also an episode where I will be showing your works too. So that's my top coat cured, and now I'm going to do those 3D effects. So only in the middle part I'm applying the dots with the top coat. It's something which you can probably hardly see it in a camera, but it's just a little dots to make the those skin look a bit more raised in this places, and then just cure it. So that's the design finish, and I hope you have enjoying watching it. If you did, like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks guys. Bye.